Welcome to my website, The Impact of Online Banking. I have created this website with HTML and CSS codes via the hosting account cPanel. This allowed for me to have access to my own web space on a remote server. For HTML, all the paragraphs you will see were constructed with the p tag. This I later styled with an external style sheet for a consistent look. All the p tags have a font style of oblique, font family of veranda, and are the color black. On the bottom of the main screen, you'll see a table of contents, which was made with the OL HTML code, meaning ordered list, and that's why you see numbers for each website page. The first page on the ordered list is the purpose page. The first statement being, indicate the name of the innovation and provide a clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem that the innovation solved, the opportunity that the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. This statement was put under the HTML code headline 3 and styled in the external style sheet with the CSS code color light blue. The intended purpose of online banking is an electronic payment system that allows customers of certain banks internet access to their accounts. The photographs and GIFs you will see throughout my website were used with the image source HTML tag. The footer you see at the bottom, allowing me to click through the pages, was created with the href linking to certain pages. The div ID footer was used to style the buttons in the external style sheet. The button was put into a box by padding and border CSS controls. The light blue color you see when I hover over the button was used with the button hover CSS code. The next section is effects and impacts. B statement is explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. Basically, the benefit for its users is the convenience of having access to their financial institutions anywhere with internet connections. The video below this further explains the pros and cons from a professional, which you may watch at your own discretion. C statement is explain the impact that the innovation has had on society, economy, and or culture. Like the first explanation, the convenience of it has had a large impact because of the transition from traditional banks to electronic banking. Below this explanation is my personal video, which I will play.
I use multiple bank financial platforms on my cellular device, such as my bank accounts and Venmo. Very beneficial because it convenience, all of the above, honestly.
My video was created with my iPhone 7 Plus and edited with WeVideo free video editor, and then uploaded to my YouTube account, and attached to my website via an iframe embedded link. The D statement is indicate one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or has the potential to impact. Describe the impact. Internet banking has had a major effect on banking relationships and the effect it has had on the need to physically show up to the bank. Before I leave this page, the graph right here is from a survey taken by the college course this website was made through. The question is, on a scale of 1, low impact, to 5, high impact, how much impact do you think online banking has had in society in general? There was 12 responses, and a majority of them were 4 and 5, which was pretty high impact. The next page is technical aspects. E-statement is describe how a user interacts with the innovation. Users interact with online banking by trusting their bank to open an online accessible version of their bank accounts. F-statement is describe in detail how the innovation's technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and or the internet to accomplish its purpose. Online banking requires the internet to provide a connection between the banking institution, its website, and then to its user. The next page is relationships to data. G statement is describe how the innovation consumes data as input, produces data as output, and or transforms data. The innovation consumes the same data as the banking institution's system. It connects banking accounts with apps and websites using account numbers, routing numbers, social security numbers, etc. It then allows the user to perform different transactions with that connection. H statement is describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. Well, finances are a very personal thing, and the data privacy concerns are the safety of the user's finances. It can always happen, but financial institutions are trying very hard and have set up various security processes to reduce the risk. Lastly is the references page, where I will show you the website that a lot of this website's information came from, which was the Wikipedia page, Online Banking. This page was used for a basis of information. It was basically an easy way to understand the information and then look at outside resources to then confirm the information that this page has given me. Then I will take you back to my homepage, where here I'll show you the background that I've created, the logo that I've created, which is in the moving picture right here, and the banner that shows up on every page that you click on, which is right here. Now, those things were made with the computer application Pixlr, where I worked with larger photos and texts to then create a smaller version with a bunch of images and a bunch of texts to design my website. The moving picture was created using GIFmaker, which is a moving photo of my face, logo, and a related photo. So it's basically kind of like a video. Thank you for watching and going through my website with me. For more information, you can visit my website at the link below.